Hey, it's your boy Harley Boy Byron. We got a ride coming up September 21st. I might bring out this 1967 Super 10. This is a real legit Harley. Hey, let's roll out, ride. South side, west side, brunch ride. Our second time going to Alley 64 in
St. Charles.
Illinois. South side meeting at 167 to Pulaski at 10 o'clock. West side meeting at the gas station off of 355 and North Avenue. Like last time, the south side go and meet them, and we all go ride in the St. Charles together. Come on, let's get it. I might bring this out.
Everybody, get your roll on. Everybody, get your roll